Want to learn some tips and tricks you must know on CapCut Mobile? Well, here it is. Mastering CapCut on mobile is all about utilizing its AI-powered features and hidden workflow shortcuts to create professional content quickly. Well, first things, open up CapCut. Now what you can do is you can head into settings on your CapCut, right? And what you can do is head into profile, head into settings, and here you'll find add default ending. Every time you try to edit a video, there is a default ending, and sometimes you forget it and there is this default on your video. Simply toggle this off, and now toggle it off and select discard, and it is gone for good. You don't have to worry about that ending part, the auto ending part anymore that shows the CapCut logo. Similarly, what you can also do is during the video editing, simply open up any projects if you do have one, or open up a new project. Then you can head into add text feature. Once you head into text, what you can do is you can head into auto captions, and now to generate, you can easily generate subtitles automatically, making your video accessible as well easily. Similarly, you can also use keyframe for custom animation. You can tap the keyframe icon and you can proceed to mark a starting point, move forward in your timeline, and change the scale or position of a clip. CapCut will automatically animate the motion between frames as well. The other last option that I'll tell you is about the audio. You can tap on audio and you can tap on extract, and you can actually extract audio from other videos. So you can select the other video and you can extract just the audio of it, and it'll get added to your timeline. First, it'll be added to extracted files. You can select it again and it'll be added to timelines. Then you can use it on your video. So it's that simple. Hope these tips and tricks helped you out. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.